earlier introduced, I'm Major Nicholas Aliba. For the purpose of this training, I have been the chief instructor. But for my work, I'm the Civil Military Coordination Officer of 4th Division, based in Bagungu. Sir, Chief Guest, Secretary General Honorable Richard Dodoth. Today is our day for the pass out of these cadres. In total, we had 419 cadres in this course for 1 week. We reported here on 19th, and today is the 1 week that we are here. Through the 1 week, we took the cadres through ideological orientation. We took them through general parade, where we did drills, parade drills, marching, saluting, and gun drills, which are well demonstrated here. These cadres have been very, very enthusiastic to learn. They had a very high morale. They had interest to learn. And in this 1 week, they have acquired enough knowledge, which both for their personal protection and the protection of the community. Ideologically, they have gone milestone because of the various lectures and presentations they received during the 1 week stay here. It has been very interesting situation for us. We didn't get, as a chief instructor, I didn't get any indisciplined cadre. They really came to learn. They had no other business. Their business was to learn.
Asante sana!
I pray that such trainings should be organized more frequently in this region, so that many people are empowered with the knowledge of security and understanding of gun and ideological orientation. We pray that this place where we are conducting this training has been very humble for us, and on my own behalf, I pray that any other training, cadre development training in Acholi sub-region should be brought here, such that the trainees have ample time to concentrate and to learn whatever they are taught.
Asante sana!
Because the environment here is very good for training. We, as a chief instructor, have assessed, indeed this place is very good for training. We pray that any other trainings should be brought here, so that we concentrate. We don't have any other business, but only training and training. With all that remarks, I beg to stop here, and I wish you a safe stay and good interaction with the cadres. Thank you, sir.
Asante sana! Ongeza tena!
Thank you so much, the chief instructor, for your